Hi guys, I just wanted to do a little overview of Epic Books. My computer's acting really slow right now, so I'm not sure this is actually going to work very well. But I just wanted to show you kind of when you log in as a student, you can see that there are a lot of different categories. There's an AR category, there's a comic category. There are many, many comic books. There's a bunch of stories that they will read to you. So not all of these books are read alouds. Some are just text. If you go over here to audiobooks, these ones are just read aloud. So you won't be able to see the text. You won't be able to see the book at all, the inside of the book. But the read to me, you will be able to see the text, and then there's a voice that will read it to you. You can also go to any of those and you can keep the voice off if you want to. I'm not sure what the videos is, so I'm going to let you kind of look at that on your own. So I am going to go to, let's see what happens when I go to For You. Probably nothing. Okay, so here's some new releases, lots of comics. Here's some popular series. So we can see there's Big Nate, Lucas. I bet you're excited. Adventure Time. I know we have that series in our classroom. The Boxcar Children. There's Goosebumps books. 39 Clues. Binky the Space Cat. That sounds pretty cool. Smithsonian is science books. Weird but True. Wings of Fire. I Survived. So there's Phoebe. So there's a lot of different series that you can look through. So if I click on Weird but True, let's see what we have pop up. Wow. That is a lot of Weird but True books. So if that's something that you're interested in, that's something that you can look at. Now, I don't know if all of the books are AR books. I think only some of them will be. So you're going to have to just decide. If it's not, you can still read it. You just won't be able to take an AR test on it. So this one, it doesn't have an AR level, so I'm thinking that this one's probably not an AR book. So let's go back and find an AR book and see what that looks like. So when we go to AR, let's try that. So you can filter it by reading level. And so we have, let's just go to Helen Keller. So this is a book that looks like one that we have in our library. And it even tells you how many minutes that you've read today. And that only counts once you're actually reading the book. So when you're browsing for books, I don't think it's actually counting that. Okay. So this one has the read aloud. It'll start reading it to you.
Close.
I like how it has some, you can click on any of the words and it will give you
close your eyes
dictionary
and cover your
did we see if that was an AR book? Or did we just not even see? Not sure if it even showed us. I think it's probably down here and I can't access that.
Who was Helen Keller? Close your eyes and cover.
So I'm going to run out of time. So I'm just going to probably figure that out later. I know it's between a 4.0. Oh, I see. So when I went to AR, it did all of the 4.0s in one line, and then it's doing the 4.1s and 4.2. So there's one way that you can look at the books. That's not the only way. That's only one way that you can browse. Ooh, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I wanted to show you really quickly. What did I want to show you? Well, I can't actually remember what I wanted to show you now. Some pretty cool audiobooks. Oh. So if you look up biography, let's see if I can search for that. I know some of you guys love reading about people. So there's a lot of different biographies. There's biographies that look like they're comic books. And then there are some that are not. There was a book on Zendaya. So if you have a favorite celebrity, you can put your celebrity in there and then you can see if that's a book that you might want to read. So there's a lot of options here. You can see that this one is an AR book. It's a 4.0. It's all about Zendaya's career. So yeah, I hope that this gives you kind of a digital library and a place to go where you can find books that you're interested in and find something that you would like to read. All right, see you guys soon.